I mean, look at this X7. But I'm not here to talk about this one. No, I'm here to talk about not the BSA. Stop it, you lot. I'm on about this one. And do you know what? I was an X7 man. I really was. My brother had a GT380 and a GT750 and even a GT500, I think. But this is the GT250, the predecessor to the X7. Yeah. I mean, just look at it. It's marvellous. And I've spent a bit of time looking at it now, and I always thought I'd want an X7, but now I look at this, I think this is a better looking bike. I don't know what you think. Engine's probably roughly the same. Obviously this one's, I think they must have been a bit heavier because they weren't quite as quick, were they? No. But look at the condition of it. It's just immaculate. Yeah, it could be polished up a bit more, but this is in proper condition, isn't it? I think so, anyway. Got those solid foot pegs, yeah. Get them down scraping. That was the name of the game. Yeah. Drum rear back on the rear. Yeah. Dead easy to adjust the chain and everything. Simple little shocks. Oh, of course, we always used to change them. Of course we did. Because we spent all our money on the bikes. Nothing covering the back, just this bit of chrome, no plastic or anything. Quite a big chunky light. This one, it's an S-Reg. This must be one of the last ones. And look, it says CCI, yeah. So it's when you were able to not have to mix your own petrol and two-stroke oil. Yeah, marvellous. I couldn't believe it when that happened. Yeah. What else we got around here? Gear lever. I think 5-speed gearbox. Kickstart on this side. Ain't that funny? I do not remember that at all. I'm just going to check. Yeah, no. On the X7, look. Definitely that side. Wow. That's weird. I don't remember that at all. Yeah, you probably do. You're probably saying you're bonkers. Time, get with the game. Sort of similar. You can see where the X7 came from. I mean, you know, forget the engine. I'm on about cosmetics. But it is splendiferous, isn't it? Just look at it. Slightly bigger seat. Probably just as comfy. I'll find out soon. Yeah, Mickey Mouse mirrors, clutch, just whatever they are, aren't they? Yeah. Headlamps again, all halogen. You know, we didn't when these were about. No one had thought of LED. No. Let's have a sit on it. I'm so excited. I'd love to ride one of these as well. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Can you imagine that for a motor? I can. Yeah. Tiny little thin tank though. And you sort of set level with the tank. You don't get that on bikes nowadays. You always sort of sat more in them. Yeah. Look. Yeah. Marvellous. I feel like a kid in a sweet shop. I really do. Lights in there, neutral, high beam, indicator there. Didn't need no more. Switch gear, horn, exactly the same. Everyone, they were all the same. And actually, this is all the original gear, and it probably still works. In fact, it does still work. Yeah. It's just marvellous, isn't it? Just put it over. And I can feel, even just doing that feels heavier than the X7. Yeah. But possibly a more solid bike. I don't know. I prefer it. I'm converted from the X7 to the GT. And I had a long love affair with the X7. Yeah. That's just unbelievable. Yeah, I think these were probably down 22, 23 brake horsepower, I'm not sure. Maybe they got up to 30, same as the X7. I don't know if they tweaked it or changed it at all. So you lot will have to tell me. But you'll notice, all chrome wheels, all spoked wheels. Yeah, marvellous. Those were the days. Yeah, so, and while I'm here, I'll just show you this little thing. I've never seen one of these. A motor beta. Have you ever seen one of those? I haven't. No. At first when I saw it, I thought it was going to be a Fantic. But it's not, no. There you go. Funny little thing. I bet it's good fun though. Yeah, so that's it. That's an audience with the Suzuki GT250. Yeah, 1978, something like that. Maybe a bit before, I don't know. Just before the X7s came out, that's for sure. Ta-ta.